everybody. Check it out what Pika does while we're driving around with Daddy.
Pika. Oh, really? Yeah, so pretty. Pikachu. Thank you. Ready? And kisses. Oh, the baby. Oh, you're closing his eyes. I'm getting tired. Yep.
He's starting to lean on you, huh?
Yeah. And he closes his eyes. I'll put my face to his.
Oh, that was a cute pose. Both of you
Like
just
on
looked
TV,
at that cat. Oh. Y'all hear that?
Hmm?
You hear that? He's kissing Daddy back.
Oh, kisses?
Oh, kisses. Pika loves Daddy. You want to scratch? Scratch, scratch, scratch?
He just said it. Scratch, scratch, scratch.
Oh.
We're going down, down, down.
Pikachu had a blood feather the other day.
Yep.
We got it out in time, thanks to our son, who noticed it. He was bleeding a lot, and I don't know how much everyone knows about these little birds, but these little birds, when they have blood feathers, and this was one of his big, like, flight feathers, so it was a big one, a deep one. He was losing a lot of blood quickly. And these little birds, they only have like a couple of teaspoons or tablespoons of blood in their entire body, and very small amounts of blood, objectively in our eyes, is actually a very significant amount for them to lose. And he was very weak afterwards, and but he bounced back pretty quickly. Yep, and our son was the hero. Right, Pikachu? Can you say thank you? Pika, can you say thank you? And go back to Daddy?
Hey, Bubba. Thank you.
Give Daddy kisses?
Some kisses? Thank you.
That's how he actually gives kisses. Give Daddy kisses?
Always thank you. Scratch, scratch, scratch. I know you want scratch, 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 but I'm driving.
He's asking for scratches. That's how he says scratch.
You want to sing? Scratch, scratch, I know. Pico, pico, pico. Let me go, ready?
Pulling into the parking lot of our favorite pet store, Brat's Pets. Well, we got Pika Pika.
Alright, alright, say bye-bye.
Pikachu,
Pika.
can you give Daddy kisses one more time?
Pika, kisses. Thank you. You go, Bubba. Yeah, you're stealing. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye.
Well, Pika, can you ask Daddy for scratches?
Can you say scratch, scratch? You want some scratch, scratch?
You want scratch, scratch?
Scratch, scratch? Yeah. Oh, the babies.
Look at that silly bird.
Oh, the babies want scratches. Yeah, I think that's all that. Okay, there you go. Oh, the babies. Yeah, the baby will scratch, scratch, scratch. Yeah. Alright.
Alright, Pika Pika. Pikachu. Can you say Pika Pika Pika? No, no more?
Oh, he's done. I'm tired.
Kisses?
You grooming me now?
Pikachu. Pika. Can you say bye to Pretty Bird's flock? Say bye, everybody. Bye, everybody. We just wanted to show you what a cute little Pika Pika you are, huh? Show them how you can sing and give kisses. It's so cute. Alright, Pika. So what do we say now? Hey, Boots. What would you like to tell the Pretty Bird flock? What do they need to do for us if they would like to?
Subscribe.
What?
Subscribe.
What? Gotta be more excited about it. Gotta convince them.
Subscribe.
Tell them.
Subscribe and leave. Subscribe.
And?
And like.
Like what?
Like the video.
That's right.
Send it. Send it.
Look at Pika real quick. There you go. And now we're gonna check with Dee Dee and see, besides liking and subscribing, what else we would like to ask y'all to do. Hey Dee Dee, what do you think? What else do you want to ask our Pretty Bird flock fans to do on this video? So we got like, we've got subscribe.
And I would like it if you would comment. I'd like to see what you say.
Oh, that's really nice of you, because we read the comments, right?
Yeah.
And we try to respond to all of them, right?
Yeah.
And then there's one more thing that would be awesome if people do it. What's that?
Yeah, I'll probably share it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why is that? Because we want to make people what?
We want to make people happy. Like we just want it to go viral, so more people.
Can smile and laugh, right?
And see our
And have a
silly
good
birds.
day, right? And see our silly, silly birds. Because, I mean, if they can make this grumpy veteran smile.
What is it?
Right, babe?
Yep. Oh, you gonna get it yourself? Okay. Oh, more?
Then,
Okay, there you go. Yeah.
anyways, like the kids already said, please do leave a comment, like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to our channel. Our content will improve with time, and I hope it has. Once we can, we'll get a better camera, and do share, the video with your friends and family. Maybe it can help out pass some time for whoever's self-quarantining or quarantining for other reasons. And I just wanted to put out there real quick that I do hope that everyone is practicing, good hand washing hygiene, and helping, your family and friends and neighbors, and working together
Everybody stay safe.
from a distance. And to stay safe and look out for each other, and stay healthy. So we do hope that you all have a wonderful day. All right, bye.